I need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Good morning. I look like a hot mess, but you guys are family, so you get to see Yami in real life, right? Anywho, Taz just left to work. We had some coffee this morning, did our Devo, or I did my Devo. I'm doing this advent calendar that I mentioned a couple vlogs back, and I'll link it below in case you want it. I got it on Amazon overnight. This morning, I was planning on just getting right to work, but I came in here, started making the bed, and realized that Bleeker actually threw up on our comforter. Love that for me. So I'm gonna spend the morning kind of putting stuff in the laundry, organizing laundry, because we had all this folded clothes. This is honesty right now, but I was so tired last night that I was like, I can't do this right now. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just clean up our room a little bit, change and get ready for the day, and then I'm gonna get to work because your girl has a lot to do, and I think Taz and I decided that we'll work out when he gets home tonight. So I'm gonna get a bunch of work done and then hopefully be done by like 5 so that I can enjoy the night and work out and dinner and all that good stuff. So let's get this day on the road. Poopy, you doing okay? Mood, huh? I feel that. Okay. So I was not planning on doing all of that. I literally just wanted to put the laundry away, but got the best of me. Put the laundry away, organized my closet a little bit, and then I organized this. I have just been wanting to like style my home. Finally, we have so many pieces. Well, I mean, so many pieces. But I never took the time to like decorate them and stuff. So I kind of like what happened here. I just added that big mirror from Hobby Lobby. I moved the olive tree from there to here, and then I just styled it with what we have. I don't have many decor pieces, so that's why it looks a little bit empty. And now that this is decorated, my living room is less decorated, so I gotta go shopping for some more stuff. And then I just put, this is honestly like Bleeker's bed, and so since it's hidden, I just put it there. But yeah, it's looking pretty, and I love the mirror, so you can kind of see your outfit for the day, and then you can see the bed, which I'm obsessed with. So yeah, now I think I'm going to go to my office, sit down and kind of, now I'm going to go through my to-do list, and I think I'm gonna pack orders, get that out. I also wanna go get my disposable cameras developed. They're from the wedding. We've been through a lot, okay? And then Taz went to go drop them off somewhere, and they didn't have a photography place at the CVS that he went to. So I think I'm gonna pack orders that I didn't get to do yesterday, ship them out right now, or like in the next couple hours, and then find a pharmacy, and then come home and then work for the rest of the day. So I changed my mind. Excuse me, I'm gonna turn this off before I get copyrighted, or I'll mute it for now. 1 second, I'm sorry. Okay, so like I said, I've been taking off, I've been using other decor in the house to decorate other places, so now it's empty. Like our coffee table is so empty, and I wanted to put this advent calendar in my room somewhere, or my office, excuse me, but I don't have a place to put it. So I decided I'm gonna put it on the coffee table to have more Christmas decor. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Shouldn't take very long to set up because I really do have to get to work. Okay, well, this is taking much longer than I thought it was gonna take, but it's gonna be beautiful. I just gotta find batteries to light this up. Okay, all the lights are taped down, and now we gotta get batteries, put them here, and then this, oh, that is our background. Let's just make this a village. We have to find the first one and do it. Where's one, mommy? Was it this one? It's skincare. He doesn't care. I'm gonna put the things back. Here's one.
No, that's 15.
Oh, that's 15.
El one es uno chiquito.
19, 5.
I think that's one of those.
Oh, right here. One. This is it. Do you wanna open it?
No.
Okay, you have me. Gotta open it carefully because I want to put the box back. The first Sunday. Experience the calming effect of sweet jasmine by lighting this candle on the first Sunday of your Advent. Oh, cute little candle, sweet jasmine. Where do I want to put this? In my office. Well, let's put this back. So I'm not sure if I've shown the Christmas tree and the decor that we put up, but I'm gonna give you a quick little tour. It's really quick. So here's the advent calendar we just made. Don't know if I love it there just yet because it kind of blocks off, you know? And then here's our Christmas tree. And then I really like this. I've got the garland and the lights and then some sakis. And the mirrors. I just think it looks very elegant in Christmas, which I'm obsessed with. And that's it. That's the tour. Okay, so I just spent some time with Wabi stuff, and now I just printed some orders, and I am just separating them, making sure that the shipping label is with the right person, and then I am going to package all these orders. Yeah, it's a lot of work. I just have to make sure it's the right person. Perfect. And then this is where it gets easier. I just separate and then make sure that the shipping label matches to the shipping thing, and then you just do this. Come on, dude. Camera shy. All right, let's go pack some orders. Okay, well, this isn't my car. Taz likes to do this thing where he steals my car when I don't have to take it, or like where I'm not going anywhere. I feel so low to the ground right now. Okay, oh, my heart. Okay, heart rate, carrying that package, or the package is. Okay, so we are gonna drop off packages, but first I have to actually literally hand drop one off in my neighborhood, because my neighborhood has a Facebook page, and somebody said, does anyone have any small businesses? So I put mine, and then I got 2 orders from it. So she literally is my neighbor. So I gotta find her house, because of course I wasn't going to charge her for shipping. It's literally, wait, is she like literally right next door? Oh my gosh. Okay, here we go, let's do it. This is hilarious. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how far it is, so you can laugh with me. Okay, so I'm leaving my house right now. And I'm here. That's hilarious. Okay, I'm gonna drop this off. Okay, literally 2 houses down. That's hilarious. I didn't know she was that close. All right, now I'm gonna go to the post office. Well, actually, I'm gonna have to do a little detective work before I actually head out, but I'm gonna try to find a photo, what are those called again? Photo services? Because the CVS by me didn't have any, Taz said, and so I wanna get this, these disposable cameras taken care of today.
Your local Walmart. We appreciate your business and look forward to the opportunity to serve you in our store page at walmart.com.
You guys, so apparently they don't do disposable cameras at CVS. They can send them out to whoever does it, and she said it'll take 6 weeks. And then she said that it's horrible and that things get lost here. She's like, so if you're gonna do them at CVS, don't do it here. I said, great. Bye. So now I'm calling Walmart, but they're not answering. Dang it. All right, let's just go to the post office.
Christmas Day.
Okay, so I found a place online that can develop the cameras, and I figured, you know what, I'll do it now. I'll do the transaction through my phone, all that good stuff, and since I'm going to the post office anyway, I can drop it off. Well, it's not working. This post office is like in the middle of nowhere, so I wasn't getting any service. So I feel like these are gonna have to go out tomorrow or something. Of course, whenever I want to get something done, it can't happen. Like, oh, it's so annoying. You know what I mean? All right, I'm gonna drive home, listen to some Christmas music, and then drive home. I'll be home in like 5 minutes. Okay, I'm home, and now I'm just going to literally figure this out. I'm going to find a website that does these disposable cameras, and I'm gonna take care of it right now. Okay, so I got on that website that I found, and I'm reading the fine details, and prints are sold separately. What the heck? What do you mean? And if I want to scan it, I have to pay more. So what am I developing? I'm so confused. What the heck? Okay. Film cameras or disposable cameras, check. They're all packaged and ready to go. Now I am trying to post an Instagram video, and also while it's going from my phone to my computer, I want to respond to YouTube comments because I said I would keep the conversation going, and so that's what I'm doing. It's so crazy how so many of you relate to me in terms of like having the miscarriage and just going through like emotional stuff. So I'm gonna comment to everybody, but I just wanted to talk to you right now and just say thank you for the support and just for encouraging me with your stories, because I know it's not easy to share, and you're doing that to help me feel better. So thank you. Okay, I'm gonna stay here, and I'm probably gonna be behind my computer for a couple hours, so I'll see ya when I see ya. Time to try on some samples. I got some samples in from a manufacturer, and this one has been also going on since the velour collection, since we started. So we designed a couple different collections at one time, and this is still part of the sample rounds, because this one has been a little bit more difficult to perfect. So I'm gonna try on samples. Hopefully they fit with all this weight gain. I'm excited. I'm I'm excited, but it's also very nerve-wracking because it's like, okay, this can be the perfect one or it could be another round of edits and samples. So fingers crossed this is a good one. Okay, I think these are approved. The only thing is the logo is offset, but besides that, we're good. Hi. Okay, workout complete. I truly wanted to actually work out, but I just ended up doing cardio. I tried sprinting again. My knee bothered me, so I just walked on an incline for an hour. And then I showered, obviously, did my skincare. And now we are cooking dinner. And I'm excited because we're gonna take dinner outside today and eat by the fire. Okay, dinner was magnifique, and now I'm sitting back down I actually have to write out like not a script per se, but I want to write out points to a video that I'm doing with a sponsor. I'm doing a sponsored video over on Instagram, and it's actually for a really cool like initiative. It's in the healthcare field, so really excited about that. So I have to write down the points I want to hit because I'm going to film it tomorrow. And then also I got to finish up this vlog and last minute things. So okay, let's get to work. Hello friends, I just finished editing the vlog, and I have one more task that I need to do tonight, which is the script that I mentioned. But I am in so much pain. My belly hurts so much that I need to go lay down. So I'm gonna work from my iPad or my iPhone to write my little points. And I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. So this is a typical day in my life. Nothing's really the same, but everything's the same, if that makes sense. It just looks a little bit different. I've said this before, but I wouldn't have it any other way, except maybe with a little bit more help. But this has been a dream, and honestly a dream I never could have come up with, and so I am eternally grateful for doing what I get to do. So yeah, let me know if you like more, if you want more videos like this. And for now, I'm gonna go make myself some sleepy tea, get myself in bed, and finish this script. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.